redemption. Great fun riding the train. The children had most fun at the Gruffalo Trail. Remember to scan the QR and download the Gruffalo app. Bought the gingerbread man. Pretty good with slight hint of ginger. The ginger tour was very interesting. Tour guide explained in English and we watched a video about butter and ginger history. After that there was food tasting and introduction to the other products made by the Butterum company. Elle liked the ginger and they were quite generous as got to taste many different ginger products like sliced ginger, ginger drink, spread and even meatball made with ginger marmalade. The ginger tour is the best thing in the tour and if not getting the all-inclusive tour, I recommend just go for the ginger tour. Kids may not understand or like ginger though. Is more for adults and elderly friendly. Great experience at the ginger factory. Loads to learn. Elle bought the all-inclusive ticket and brought my family. There was a boat ride but that's more catered to children below 10. It was quite cute, gingerbreadman traveling around the world theme. The train ride around the compound was an experience too, but there was nothing much at the back so I would not go on it more than once but for a first time experience still fun. With the ticket, you get 10% off everything at the gift shop, can buy honey, ginger products etc., very good. It's mostly a factory for confectionery. But the tour was very informative and the guide was superb. Samples were excellent as well. I'd recommend the honey tour as well. Superb. We visited the ginger factory a few days ago and had a delightful experience. We took a tour, explored the area, and enjoyed coffee with ginger scones. We also purchased some ginger delights. This place is definitely worth a visit. The ginger drink is the best we've ever had, far superior to any other ginger beer or cordial on the market. Highly recommended. Good recommendation for families with children. However, do cater time for the various tours and boat rides. Lots of play areas for kids.